Welcome back to the channel. Tim here with Ted Detailing, and today we'll be cleaning a Mercedes-Benz C300. And this car is a pretty sweet car, and with my experiences, the higher quality the car is, the easier it is to clean it. So with nothing else to do, let's jump right into it. If you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell and stay tuned for more content. To start things off, I wanted to tackle the carpets because the owner had dogs and the fur was really embedded into the fibers. And if you're wondering, I'm using a lily brush. It helps a lot to get those stuck on fur, and I highly recommend it for any pet owner. After getting all the fur out, I use my Chemical Guys carpet solution and my drill brush to agitate any dirt in there, and then using my extractor to suck it all away. And here are the clean carpets. Now that the interior was clean, we pulled the car out and started working on the exterior. First, we thoroughly rinsed the car with my pressure washer, and then we applied car solution and washed it off. finish it off, I cleaned all the wheels and made sure they were spotless. And here are the results. Thank you for watching, and if you enjoyed the video, make sure to smash that like button for me and stay tuned for more content. And at the moment, I am working on other videos, maybe 2 or 3 videos, and I have the footage, I just have to edit them. And I'll see you in the next one.